But kwasi medi omahene ho ya. Enra me tie no. Sir first second ladies abesumu oman.
Yeah.
Na yes oh yem wo yeso o masene sa kwan yi so. Na yentua wo moka.
Yeah.
It's as wo so oman. But listening to omahene Kwabena Asante honestly.
Ne ho cry mwa because onye omampani obedi.
I don't know. Kwabena.
Ne ho cry me wa.
Enya asema nke ne meka cho se wa bodam.
Na se wanya ata.
Asema okay na me feel say one of the issues any kwanse so.
Na Kwabena dey na okay.
No, but that's a challenge I have with you.
No, but the moment you boss.
Yeah.
Baby, I you. San komo we see the 2 echi. Na ehwe kwan be fa so a yesuku ya hospital ya kwan mrantie na adwuma omo benya aye mrantie no so botom se be si ahare omo ni nyoma ese fata hia na betimi adwene sa anyima
na Kwabena Asante na okay where your man penida na Asante na okay
no kwasi de manikasa
na le for episode the fan of bay
manikasa
Asante na okay
because niam bi wo ho a omahene position on ma take here I don't get it
David na Asante na don't get it and now ban David na Asante na okay
mami musu asem
where your man penny
say Teresa Kufo nimnyamfo ba Lordina nimnyamfo mawe emisa abese misata
nana
kunadu adwuma se omubo wura sisi a number no omo so issue no ne ya akopem tena obaka dabi
no you be mama ya na say omo ya first
because of their position
yeah
the brain kura wo mo
me ko dwabo ase a ye bo me din se Mrs. Omanhene ana abana Penyimu
Mrs. Zain
Omanhene ana abana
the percent na say on na yire na
okay
Penyimu bitimi sore e ma me yire efiba Asante Daako osore tena na konwa so the privileges that you enjoy
and I know your ska Asante na okay privileges them your ska
mama example
tena konwa so mama your ska
how to was
okay
me try adwuma no didi hu
okay
na yentumi didi mu se enye de uboni sentura adwuma ya fa ato ho so a ayonkofa bebrade ani munyama bre ne ki nyada me timi ka tro se me yonko ni Ibrahim Mahama nka me kushia ne we me timi ka tro se me yonko ni Kennedy Japan nka me kushia ne we me timi ka tro se Nana Buma nkama me chocho mucho no a nka me kushia ne we eti adwuma bi a wo ye titiw Ghana mampanyi hukani na yejuma ketwa
no Kwabena privileges are privileges
no but
we are talking salary say busumi asuna ye tia
what is omo KPI be na dey hwe so atu omuka etwa be na omo yemai oba mampanyi yiri a Ghana hihye mu no article 71 no edie na wo Ghana article yesi yemai enti ezi atu oka if President Kufuor in his wisdom Ebrebi by an unofficial once a while, we don't have that conversation. We should not even attempt to have that conversation now. And no man come first, you know. We are going to think about our first and second ladies. Is it that we think that politics, no? Now, say we are senior man, now, how long I have taught as a teacher. One market to become 6 months. The bia da carry forward teacher for e be post fufuro bia no wakati anko da aya be ka ho ene iti back pain ba na bom bia 6 months 3 months e be na ka wo de o maame wo fa o se wa o yire wase wakonta e ka wa gigia why we have challenges and major challenges in this country.
No, but Kwabena, you are talking as if you don't know what goes on.
No, and I'm a catcher.
Parliament, it has been passed.
But I'm saying
both sides.
I'm saying that I think the mandate of the committee that was set up to look into your music assembly Article 71 for no. Oko kenkaya. First lady, second lady,
yes.
So even that suggestion, and I said, I mean, I disagree because that is not part of their work. It's a maybe by which we in fact, information minister draw attention. It's something that is ongoing, unofficial. So we should start thinking about this. You better officialize it or otherwise. And I'm saying even bringing this information at this time is irritating, very provocative.
Your problem is with the timing.
Yeah, it's not even about the timing. Do we need to discuss this?
Now then you discuss.
Because I didn't. I didn't na ope biem.
I didn't born on person.
Okay, say first lady otisi. There no yema Ghana. Ghana Ashen say onye den. Between the first lady and another Dankwa Kufuado. Why not bit my holding responsible?
And you say your president.
What's the problem?
But the first lady
I didn't know how we are morning show. I didn't know we are morning show. Young Kasa was sacrifice in short toine. I had to struggle to leave my wife on the bed because that time was a time that I could make serious laugh. I didn't tell Benjamin one punishment. Why can't the company compensate me? And the company to me compensate my wife. No, don't take these things for granted. If you want to have that conversation, it's not to one point. A brother says, "Me timid me who can eat me now and Pama grow Papa my motor. Now me relax imagine. I had to leave 3:30.
Na so near Juma wa fato.
No, your first lady no. No, say you could echo police issue ana. Don't let us go there. I'm saying that.
Yeah.
Let's not have those conversations. And you're quite irrelevant at this point in time. Maza, and you may be a come ebu. Ebu, when you said I'm shady people before, no one go on say. Monsieur and Lordina Mahama. There is a kufu pay for any day. The autistic anti Becky, or Pierre, how much matters?
Debbie,
I didn't hear. Because of the privilege.
Now, privilege.
Multimedia. Yes, say, Minitigo, Ewo Fimbi. And you don't tell you. Men could do multimedia for Siko. But and the multimedia show. Me, who Ibrahim Mama. Met me do one, met me do a Japan. But anything multimedia that keeps the station going. Why do you go and
so if you say in the Hono first ladies one did the Hono it's enough.
Now just a phone call to any brewery company. Just a phone call to any bank to be also here support for a project within 3 seconds. All these opportunities, what man find here, Juma. Still, hey, now most
Man Becky Akufo-Addo of Fafo no Frel as a board member of Jefankwa.
And I'm never doing time. I'm man and currency. So Abasa open and Chabasa making them game one. No, the Sion of Fundy Breno. Edward Bremi.
Yeah.
For the first lady of the land to pick a phone and say Jefanko for and nam bia muku bia munyai me the nam 20 me say take the crab account. So we should not even attempt to confuse the system. Why are we confusing ourselves like that? What should be our priority is the foundation, that is the youth. Only free universities, not just normal schools crowd. Now the turnout from our universities, no, are overwhelming. We have both the public and the private universities. You have no idea.
And then one district, one factory cost.
But the implementation of one district, one factory, a very serious and a very life-changing situation. But the implementation, I had no fear to say so about for your front own. So it is not easy. Yeah, the only question one district, one factory, man. It's far better than starting to think about officializing. No one can say the majority of these people who climb to that office, they are self-made already. Self-made. That's why they climb to that height. The argument that maybe a bankers, maybe a say, be our befabiano, a hunsu, until we are seeing a brabona. There are times you go through a little bit of inconvenience to get your point of convenience. Now, to one I have for first dinner, motor kid about town, baby, come on, we are ordinary citizens, Kabila Sakoyan.
Kabila Posse, because the weekend there was set here for me, baby. CJ, who will be
I'm actually Michelle Kamayaka and seriously.
I mean, as I'm Debbie.
Mamma can't have a Miano Pena. I mean, not Iraquatiasi. Namenda,
Obuasi. Okay.
Menda deputy speakers. Yakasa won't say B5 ne Seti brothers ne Tema Steel. Omafa iron rods price na shombutum. Every 2 minutes biano matum.
Every 2
minutes biano matum. Obia timi nkashi. Ya ka. My way seems not to be regulated by anybody. Nobody cares about anybody. Ya tu anwia boom. Ya tu abo boom. Ya tu cement every minute. Ya tu. Iron rods on so. Na estate developers so they can't brain.
Yeah.
I was extremely happy when Kwaku Kwatin table here Emma deputy speaker ka say ye mama na watwe nan because mrantie nanka say bre mrantie nanka say bre on matters of rent minim kran awana watu be 4 places baby o to akon kan na 800 baby o so onu odwane asakosie no o de 1002 ye ti no 32 uti baby esi 800 afi wo buso me de be so fira ba ne o man ko ye ti na ya tutu iron na nka iron rosa ya tu me fie esi be 27 years ti anka iron rosa ya tu no pejam ko 1005 na o sha wana na sa so to e bra na wo tema afi no atu foundation that you ntimi nya feeling na nyoma buo kwa na ekosora how do you want Awana to live because na catcher na kwada obi anu na catcher so ni Awana catcher that should be ebeba no na wa 1,200 400 600 200 800 carry forward is how we are living carry forward life now live carry forward life o manu so asebi o mu de o ma ba asase so ase onyame ye wadom na se odi 75 80 some mo fran what ma show ma be show o mo so dey na be show mo so we should start thinking of your future
okay.
And yes, I'm more pump my papa to say CJ Betratra. No more because I young contribute towards the first league. At your age, I'm not in here. As a man, I would say, now, baby, I defend. On the bad